Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a new tool that is a Chrome plugin that I've created using AI agents without touching a single line of code. So this is the code that I have created using AI agents. As you can see, I have used anti-gravity by Google, and I have used a mix of Gemini 3.1 and Claude to make this code happen. Internally, this code also calls LLM, but it's mostly Gemini, not Claude. So what is this tool about? This tool is about this tool. Before I get into that, I want to tell you something. When in our younger days, we used to see our dads open multiple stock market news channels to see what is going on in the stock market and to make informed decisions. And then this whole habit translated into surfing the internet later because of the internet boom in our life. But often, to open multiple tabs and go through multiple information through different sources can become very stressful. So I thought, why not have a Chrome plugin that can navigate through all these open financial tabs, analyze the financial task for analyze all the financial tabs and give us a market insight, a global market insight, and give us some of the key trading signals so that we can, without without feeling stressed, we can make some informed decisions. So this is what MarketMind AI brings to your Chrome as a plugin. And you can also get the full report here where you can see the overview with lots of details like top signals, the overall risk assessment, which is currently high, and the AI market analysis. Then you have other tabs like signals, forecast, and sources. Yeah, and also you can export this whole report as PDF, and also you can brief, like use it, click on this and you would not have to
Good
read through the
morning.
anything.
Here is your MarketMind AI briefing. Global markets are currently caught in a tug-of war between Middle East geopolitical escalation and diplomatic peace efforts. While inflation fears from Iran-related Good
Yes,
morning.
that's it.
Here
Thank
is
you.
your MarketMind AI briefing.